Welcome, this is Panda-Frog, and today I like to open the challenge lock from DeSlotenKraker, RINZ 1.0, and he sent it to me, or he had it sent to me from someone else, and he attached this little letter. Dear Picker, I'm glad this lock found you in a good order. This is my first challenge lock and I hope you'll enjoy picking it as much as I did making it. The lock is called RINZ, named after a colleague of mine who gifted me this lock. RINZ is a really tough guy, being a Marine veteran and a firefighter, as well as being a coach for kids suffering addiction and severe behavioral disorders. The lock goes out to him. I hope the lock is as hard and fun as he is. If this lock has reached you, I would really enjoy it if you let me know through mail, or Reddit, or YouTube channel. To keep track of where this lock has been, you'll find a map on the back of this letter. Feel free to mark your position. Enjoy. I already cracked the lock and it was very tough for me, I have to say. So I will already mark it because I already did crack it, did open it. So let me find Switzerland in this little, so it came from Italy. So the little blue spot here, or what is blue? That's me. Steve, thank you so much. I will send this lock to Dusty and Wendy next. He's getting some other stuff from me, from a drawing he won, so it's perfect. I needed some time to crack this one. It was really tough for me. I even had to look at the key. So, Dusty, if you want to do it by yourself, I suggest you just turn off this video right now, because I'm now gonna show the key. Alright, so the key is the really tough part is for me was this really deep cut. It's 5 pins. Yeah, it is a challenging lock for me. So we got a Winkhaus SKG, and it is a cylinder from a door. Written, that's outside, it's written on here. So we're going to pick the outside side, and he carved in RINZ 1.0, and DSK is DeSlotenKraker. So as I told you, 5 pins, and we will get to it in a minute, as soon as I get it in a vise. Be right back. Alright, so we got it in a vise. I'm using my Peterson 50,000ths of an inch. And let's start. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Be careful with 3. And 4. Very quickly, where's here? There's my other Peterson pick. It looks better for the front part. Okay, let's go back to the back, back to the back, back to the future. And we open. Oh, that was quick. Sorry, Steve. Usually it takes me a lot longer to open this one. Whew. All right. Let's cut this thing. All right. Thank you, Steve. That was quite challenging. Where am I? Ah, I wanted to use the key, of course. Come on. Ah, shit. You don't do that. That's why you have to use gems. Don't let me break this lock. I'm stupid. Sometimes I'm really stupid. Do it the easy way, come on. Alright, so. I guess I'm tired. Alright, we wanna open this one. So we have this little C-clip here. It's pretty easily removed. Now I have to bend it back a little later, huh? Alright. Come on, what's going on with me here? Which one I'm using? Okay. Where are my tweezers? I forgot my tweezers upstairs. I'm going to use this one for now. Standard pin, a little serration. Let's see what we got. So we got on pin 1 standard, pin 2 we got a serration here, we got a little like a bullet spoolie thing, the bigger serration spoolie, and the last pin is also a serrated pin. Okay, let me see if I can get this closer for you. Okay, and this one is not a brass one, it's a different kind. Okay, let me get this one out here. If it's this way. I leave the springs in as long as they stay in. Okay, so the springs are all in. Let's take a look inside. So we don't have there's no serrating inside of the Bible. There's no serration in here, as you can see. but it's difficult enough. And get this a little closer to you. Got some very beautiful made pins over here. So this is on one. Leave it the other way around in there. It's like a spool-y thing with a triceration. This one I like a lot. It's like triceration, little spoolie on it. Then we got this barrel. Can somebody explain to me the barrel pins? I don't get them. And then we got a spool with different depths of the cuts, and we got another serrated pin. For me it was very challenging. Thank you, Steve, for this lock. I will put it back together in a minute as soon as I got my tweezers, so I will cut this video here. Alright, I'm back. So I got my tweezers, and let's put this thing back together. So I can send it out to Dusty tomorrow, which already will be done by the time this video comes online, I guess. I'm going to use a different follower. I can work better with this kind of follower. And they're a little too thick. Okay, so the spoolie thingy. The barrel. And spool with different depths. Then there we got the other spool, which I believe is this way, is the right way. Okay, let's load up this bad boy. I really want to get it out tomorrow. I'm owing Dusty a little giveaway earning, and I'm really glad he was. Oh. Huh. So it was the other way around. And I'm really glad he won, because I basically owe him my blue belt, because he sent me the American lock I opened for the blue belt, so yeah. And we're back in business. Let's see, I believe I have to put the, okay, it's pretty good. Now I can put the C-clip. Anybody know? There's my C-clip, not mine. I have to really quickly adjust it. Oh. So Dusty, be careful with the C-clip if you're still watching. It's a little... It looks better. Let's see if it works. Okay, that's it from this video. We picked this challenge lock from DeSlotenKraker from Steve. Lockpicking on Reddit. Thank you for sending me this one. It was a lot of fun. It was hard for me. Probably the next guy won't find it as hard as I did. But it was fun picking, and I'm glad I'm open it, and now I can go back and nurse my son. So have a good day, and see you soon. Bye bye.